Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an anti-spam campaign in Mautic with the form we created the last time with the Honeypot. And in the end of the video, I'm going to show you something extremely important. So stick around and make sure you see this last tip. So first things first, what are we actually going to do? So the thing we created the last time was our form. So we had an email address, a first name in our form, and then we created a honeypot and of course a submit button. So these are the three fields people can sign in, and a bot would hopefully sign into the honeypot and submit all the stuff. So from here, we need to go to a campaign. This is a campaign form. So we need a trigger to start a campaign. And then we need to find, did people actually fill in the honeypot? If yes, we would delete them. And if no, we can do whatever we want. Usually we want to put them into our double opt-in campaign. This is what we are going to build. Let's jump right into it. So first things first, we need to make sure to have a form. And here we had the newsletter registration. And here we have first name, last name, email, and email to. These four fields, that's very important. How to create spam trap double opt-in forms. Therefore I made the other video, so find the video here on the side. Once we have this, we can use this as a trigger. So if you go here to our forms, there we see that's a campaign form. So we can use this form as a trigger. And therefore we can go to campaigns and build a new honeypot DOI campaign. So let's publish this, launch campaign builder. And as a trigger, we use the campaign form, newsletter Anmeldung in this case. And from here, we can take a look if somebody made an input into the honeypot, because if yes, it's very likely that this is a bot. So let's make a condition, look for the contact field value and select honeypot, and then say it's not empty. And if it's not empty, it would look like this. So a bot is entering the campaign and the field is not empty. So it goes to the yes branch. There we can say delete the contact because it's a bot. And on the no branch, we could say, okay, send double opt-in email. And then we use our double opt-in email, and then you can build your double opt-in campaign. In another video, I'm going to show you how to create the double opt-in campaign. If you are from the future, in 1 month after this video goes live, there is a super nice option how to create the fastest and best double opt-in campaign without using the tracking JavaScript in Mautic. So take a look at this video, save that and go live. So everybody who fills out the form starts automatically the campaign. Of course, you need to have the cron jobs in your Mautic instance. Make sure to watch the video for the most necessary cron jobs. And the most important thing is, and this is the last tip of this video, you need to make sure that the honeypot actually works. Bots are getting smarter and smarter and smarter, and people are creating better and better and better systems. And the last bot wave in the beginning of 2022, most of the time it's not a real bot. Most of the time it's a spammer, like a real person, which finds your website and finds your double opt-in form and then takes a look, what do I need to do? And with this information, he or she creates a click bot, which just fills out the proper fields so they do not get trapped with the honeypot, which is a real problem, and the only possibility to solve it is in our next video. So make sure to watch this next video and learn how to avoid spam bots. So I hope you liked it, and I see you in the next one.